This is one of the coolest old-school G-Shocks ever made. The Frogman. And honestly, they just don't make them like this anymore. What I love about this generation is how overbuilt it feels. Huge buttons, thick case, old-school LCD. It feels less like a watch and more like a piece of diving equipment, and this asymmetrical case design still looks crazy today. And for something this old, the feature list is still pretty insane. Tough solar, atomic timekeeping, tide graph and moon phase, and the build quality. Honestly, this thing feels like a tank. But yeah, it's definitely not perfect. It's huge, it's heavy. And the display definitely feels dated now. If you have smaller wrists, this thing might honestly feel ridiculous. But honestly, that's also part of the charm. The stock resin band is iconic. But I wanted something a little more tactical for daily wear. So, let's swap the Hemsut strap. This feels way better.